Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Aeneas scopulum inter rea conscendit, et omnem prospectum late pelago petit, antea si quem iactatum vento videat periciosque baeremes, aut capin aut celsis in pupibus arma caeci. Meanwhile, Aeneas climbed up the cliff, and he sought every sight widely on the sea, if he might see someone, Antheus, having been tossed by the wind, and the Phrygian biremes, or Capys, or the weapons of Caecus in the lofty ships. So in this passage, basically, remember in the previous passage, the Trojans with Aeneid were building up a fire and making food on the beach. So basically the Trojans are separated. So there are the Trojans with Aeneid that are making the fire and preparing the food on the beach. And then there's Aeneas, who's not with them, he doesn't know where they are, and he's up here climbing this rock, or this cliff, this scopulum. So this is why we have the inter rea here. Meanwhile, Aeneas is doing this. And he's searching for his companions. He's looking out on the sea see if he might see some Antheus. Literally, this could mean some Antheus, any Antheus, but Antheus is the name of his companions, so it's really more of an apposition with aliquem here. And remember, nisi numne, the ali takes a holiday, so this word is aliquem, not just quem. If he might see anyone, Antheus, having been tossed on the wind, and the Phrygian biremes. Biremes are ancient ships that would have 2 layers of oars, basically, and a trireme, you guess it, have 3 layers of oars. So these are biremes, or ships you could translate it as. Phrygian meaning Trojan, the Trojan ships, or Capys, another companion, or the weapons of Caecus in the lofty ships. And remember, you might have heard or seen that on certain ships, the shields would be placed over the sides of the ships, around the stern, I think. So that's what it means by the weapons of Caecus, because Caecus would be the captain of this ship, or the head of it, and they would lay their shields on the sides of the ships. So this is the weapons on the lofty ships.